Good morning, sixth graders. Let me show you what your IXL assignment is today. By the way, I think most of you will be happy. I am growing my hair out all the way back out. My wife wants me to. So next time you see me at the beginning of the school year next year, I will have not long hair, but I will have, normal looking hair. All right, let me share my screen here with you and we can show you what we are going to learn today. All right, so here are the 3 skills I want you to try to complete by Thursday. All right, so let's look at this first one, exponents with fractional bases. Sounds a lot of fun. Let's look at it. So we have 1/2 in parentheses raised up to the first power, okay? So all this means is this, right? It just means you got 1/2, okay? And it's just raised up to the first power. So it just means you only have how many 1/2s? You just have 1/2, right? Okay, so I'm going to clear that. So your answer is just going to be 1/2. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Remember, anything raised to 0 power, regardless, is always going to be 1. Okay, again, 0 power, it's going to be 1. Okay, so now we got 1/2 to the second power. All right, so let me show you again. So now we have 1/2, okay, times, it's a dot, times another 1/2, because we got 2, the exponent says 2, so we have 2 1/2s, okay? When multiplying fractions, remember you just multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, okay? So our answer is going to be 1/4, okay? So 1/4. Okay, let's look at another one. So now you got 3/4 to the second power. So 3/4, okay, times 2 3/4 in there. So there you go. Again, just multiplying straight across. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. And there you go, 9/16. So 9/16. Okay, let's see if we can go to a little bit harder one here. These are all pretty easy. Oh, here we go, 3/5 to the third. All right, so we have 3/5, okay, times 3/5. Since the exponent is 3, you gotta do one more 3/5. Okay, so again, you're just gonna multiply straight across. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Right? 125. Okay, let me make sure I got that right. So 25, right? You would just do 25 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Add your 2 up there. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, so 125. Okay, I don't believe they want you to simplify. I don't think you could on that one anyways. So it was 27/125. Okay, so there you go. That's the first skill you're going to complete. Let's look at the next skill that you're going to complete. So if we go to, I'm going to actually go to here. 6th grade. Okay, so your second skill is evaluate numerical expressions involving whole numbers. Okay, so let me see if I can actually go to that one. Whoops, I went to the wrong thing. So 6th grade, you're in module 4 right now. Okay, so evaluate numerical expressions involving whole numbers. Let's look at that one. This, you're going to have to remember order of operations, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or please excuse my dear Mr. Strands, right? So you got 4 plus 2 times 1, right? So order of operations is telling you you need to do multiplication first. So 2 times 1 is 2, okay? 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. Let's try another one. When you have multiplication and division in the same thing, you just go left to right, all right? So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, parentheses goes first, right? Please, that's parentheses. So 5 divided by 1 is 5. And then saying 5 plus 5 is going to be 10, right? Same thing, just go left to right since it has multiplication and division. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is going to be 2. You got to do parentheses first. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, parentheses first. So you got 4 plus 2 is 6. And then 6 squared. So 6 times 6 is 36. All right, you get the point now. Exponents first. So 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, so that's what you're going to do for this next one. Let's look at your last one that I want you to complete here. 4, and evaluate variable expressions with whole numbers. So this is not as hard as it sounds. So find the value of the expression. You got 20 divided by g, and it's telling you that g equals 4. So if you just replace g with 4, you're going to have 20 divided by 5, or I'm sorry, 20 divided by 4, which is 5, right? Let's look at another one. You got 6 plus r, it's telling you that r equals 4. So 6 plus 4 would be 10. C plus 11, it's telling you that C equals 6. So you're just going to replace the 6 up here for C. 6 plus 11 is 17. Okay, D divided by 2, once again, D equals 4, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 times T, it's telling you that T equals 2, so 8 times 2, 16. Okay, you get it? 968 divided by S, and it's telling you S is 44. So this one you actually might have to get out some paper and pencils and actually do this on paper. 968 divided by 44. Let's see if I can do that with this. So I got 968 divided by 44. Oh, it's a big 4. Okay. 44 goes into 96. We know 2 times. Right, 2 times 4 is 8, so it's going to be 88. My 8s are struggling today. Okay, track this. Got to borrow one from over here, so that becomes an 8. This becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Bring down this 8. 44 goes in 88. We just said twice. Right, so there you go. So your answer is going to be 22. Okay, so there you go. Those are the 3 skills I want you to complete. Let's try to do that by Thursday at noon. Hope you all have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget, we are going to be video chatting on Friday. Have a good day.